Hey guys, good morning. So today we are going to Nusa Penida. There is a boat that you can take from Nusa to Nusa Penida. It takes only 10 minutes and the ticket costs like 50,000 rupiah for one way or 100 for return. We're gonna go there, take a scooter when we arrive and explore the island. There are a lot of sightseeing in Nusa Penida, and we actually a little bit regret that we didn't stay there, but we hope to make the best of our time there and to see as much as we possibly can in one day.
Like a page, and I can cry, and I can smile, but you can't try. You can try to fill my heart with your love. You can draw an elephant in snow. You can draw my soul. You can draw my soul.
What happened is that I crashed my drone over this huge cliff that you just saw, and I tried for maybe 1 hour or more, 1 hour and a half to fish my drone from the cliff. Actually, it was like, now that I'm thinking about it, it was very dangerous and stupid to try to do that. Like, the cliff was super high. I like desperately wanted to get back the drone, and I didn't think about the consequences of what I'm trying to do. Like, luckily nothing happened. There was some local guy that offered his help, of course for some money. He was brave enough to take the money and also to go down the cliff and take the drone. So save the drone, save the footage, and thankfully I have it all now. Today it will be our last night in Bali, and the first thing we're gonna do is jump into the pool and have a morning swim. The pool is just outside of our room.